Hey everybody, how you doing today? My name is Mason, and today I am going to do a reaction video on the most funniest British soldier video. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. This video right here. I'm gonna try and see. I'm gonna do a reaction on that video, and well, let's see how it goes, huh? Yeah, so let's do it.
Hello? Oh! This is MTV Cribs, Hellman style. This is the U-Guys combo patrol base in Muscatara, the Hellman. It is 4 o'clock, local time, 16th of May, 2009. Come into my crib. This is my bed, pillow. Come chair, we'll come on to that a little bit later. Now then, as we do in cribs, we go straight to the fridge. This is my fridge, rather shaded place for a jerry can. This is how I'm rolling. I'm drinking all fucking day, just boiling. 38 degrees, it's fucking sunshine hours, come in. I want to show you some shit. This, medical fucking equipment, in case the worst should happen, yeah? We got fucking med pouches, all fucking sorts. Look, we got some fucking flares to shoot the fucking locals when they're fucking about. Yes, sir, we got fireworks. Fucking fireworks are pulling from the fucking silence. We got batteries for shit. Batteries for the fucking night time. Night time. Or TV. Because, as you notice, the flat screen is no more. We have got open fresh air windows. Bulletproof, in fact. We look through the sight on a night time, regular fucking basis. As such. Like so, in the daylight hours, however, we're using the Mark 1 ×10 binoculars, as such. Now then, onto my little friend, the GPMG, or as I like to call it, the GMGP. I'm the general using this machine gun with fucking purpose. Like we say, yeah? We've got some fucking rounds. However, radio, no music, personal fucking radio, the guard commander. When you won't find me staggering on, I'm sitting down on my fucking seat. Look at that. You guessed it. Fucking spare rounds. You must think, put the spare rounds in your webbing. I'm too fucking idle. Webbing. Let's go. I'll take you through to the bathroom. I want to go through this bathroom. There's a Paddy, a guest. He's come to visit. We're done. You're thinking, drain pipe. I'm thinking, to do my business and to do my little shit. That's what we're fucking thinking. Come on. At this stage, then, we can take the hell body armor off. Once a day, we get fucking good shit over. Body my fucking god. Look how we're doing it. This is my fucking right. This is my right. Look in, we got some pimped out shit in my right. Look at my rims. We're talking pimped out motherfucking rims. Paid for, but you guessed it. Her Majesty's good fucking weight. Come with me. Personalised plates. All fucking dusted up. I'm sure you, it says Penna Bastard Bond. Bridge End. On the 30mm rod and fucking cannon, fellas. Nobody wants a plate. 2 paracetamols. Big fucking headache. We're in here and we're fucking going. We're bouncing a fucking down. We're bouncing like fuck. But we're out. We're deploying. And into the fucking garden, fellas. This is fucking Afghanistan. We've got no fucking twin towers. We've got no Leaning Tower of Pisa. However, over the Hesco bastion, we've got Buckeye, Green Mile, Dead Man's Land, and that's it, fellas. Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Get out!
Oh my god. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna say this now. That was fucking funny. If you didn't find that funny, I don't know what is then. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this little short video that I did for you guys today. Catch you guys later. Bye.